how to balance a central heating system. My name's Alan Hart and I've been asked this lots and lots of times now, and it's how to balance a central heating system. So I've got a system here that this is a 2-pipe heating system. So this is upstairs and this is downstairs, and I'm going to show you what I do to balance a central heating system. This is a really quick video. These are all sorts of valves you can buy. You can buy expensive valves which adjust flows and stuff like that, but I'm going to show you what I've done for the last 20 or 30 years or so, and it's always worked well for me. So what normally happens, if we imagine down here, down at the bottom here is the main flow and return from the boiler, and then we've got this main flow and return that comes up, and then what we want to do, the radiator that is closest to the heat source, so closest to the boiler, we'll take this lock shield off on here, and on this lock shield here we would just turn the lock shield down. So if we turn that fully down, you're just turning that with spanner, just turning that fully down. And then once we've turned that one fully down, if we just then crack it back open a quarter of a turn, and then if we go to the next radiator, and on the next radiator do the same, so turn the valve, turn the lock shield, turn the lock shield down, all the way down, and then maybe just crank it back a little bit more than a quarter of a turn, and go around the heating system, and the radiators that are the furthest away, have them fully open, and then run your heating system and see what happens. And it's a little bit trial and error because it'll depend on how it's been piped, but if you find that one radiator is not working very well, then what you can do is you can crank the lock shield up a bit more. So this is just a really quick example on how to balance your central heating radiators and how to balance a central heating system. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as good as I can. And if I need to, I'll do a follow-up video and answer some of them questions as well. Thanks for watching. You're turning it clockwise, that's turning the radiator off, that's turning the valve off. And then once you get it back down so it's totally off, just turn it back a quarter of a turn anti-clockwise, and then see how you go with that, and then adjust it as required.